This is our mise en place for our Kiwi-Ginger Smoothie. We have here 2 kiwis, 1 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice, 1 teaspoon size piece of fresh ginger with the skin on. Why the skin on with ginger, Yasmin? Well, it's the other F word, fiber. Next, we have here 1 tablespoon of chia seeds or chia seeds, however you want to say it. Listen, English is not my first language, so you are free, folks, to correct me. Next, we have here 3 mint leaves, 2 basil leaves, 1 scoop of plant protein powder, and some ice. Now, before we make the smoothie, here's what you need to know. Kiwis, sometimes known as kiwi fruit or Chinese gooseberries, are small oval fruits about the size of a large egg with a thin, very thin fuzzy brown skin. Kiwi contains an abundant amount of vitamin C, which stimulates the body's immune system. In fact, this fruit contains roughly 230% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin C, so much more than the traditional orange that is very popular. This bold fruit provides a burst of immune boosting nutrients in every bite. Next, let's talk about ginger. Fresh ginger root is known as a hand because it looks vaguely like a group of knobby fingers. Its flavor is fiery but sweet with notes of lemon and rosemary. Ginger is used mainly in Indian and Asian cuisines, and it's an immune system supercharger. Not only that, ginger helps relieve tension headaches, it relaxes throat muscles, it fights flu, colds, shingles, and it also helps flush out excess lactic acid from stress or exercise. Now, if you're an athlete or if you are in the sports nutrition field, you know that lactic acid is produced in our muscles and builds during intense exercise. Lactic acid can lead to painful and sore muscles. So ginger flushes out excess lactic acid from our muscles. All right, that's enough chemistry for today. Let's make a smoothie.